Good morning, dear students and friends. Welcome back to the Prithviraj English Academy. As our series is going on for the Karnataka State Board for the Social Studies series, in this video we are going to discuss about 9 standards. Chapter number 3, Religious Reformers of India. This lesson, question answers we are discussing. So without a delay, let's start the question answers of the 9 standards. Third chapter is called it as a Religious Reformers of India. Okay, religious reformers of the India. Okay, so now move to the question answers. In that first it is what exercises. In that first mean fill in the blanks with suitable words. In that first question, Shankaracharya was born at dash in Kerala. Answer is Kaladi. Kaladi, yeah, Kaladi is a place in a Kerala. Okay, here it is Shankaracharya. Okay, now move to the second one. The world is an illusion. Brahma alone is the truth. This was the propounded by dash. Answer is Sankaracharya. Answer is Sankaracharya. Now move to the third one. Ramanujacharya's disciples are called, his students are called it as dash. Answer is Sri Vaishnavas. Philosophers of the Ramanujacharya is known as was Sri Vaishnavas. Next, fourth one. Proponent of Dvaita philosophy is dash. Answer is Madhvacharya. Here it is Madhvacharya. Okay, here it is Madhvacharya. Now move to the next. The second one. Answer the following questions by discussing with your group. Who is proponent of the Advaita philosophy? So answer is Shankaracharya. Adi Shankaracharya. Adi Shankaracharya. Yeah, Shankaracharya. Okay. Now move to the sixth one. Which is the philosophy advocated by Ramanujacharya? What is their sect called? So answer is, here it is Ramanujacharya. Okay, here it is Ramanujacharya, and his philosophy is called it as a Visishtadvaita philosophy, a qualified monism, yeah, qualified to non-dualism. Okay, Ramanujacharya sect is called it as a Sri Vaishnava sect. Okay, now move to the next one. Name the books written by the Ramanujacharya. Books name was Sri Bhashya, Vedanta Sangraha, Vedanta Sara, Vedanta Deepa, Gita Bhashya. These are the books written by the Ramanujacharya. Now move to the next question. Which are the tenets advocated by the Madhvacharya? Okay, his philosophy. World is real, not illusion. There is a difference between soul, jiva, and the God, means Paramatma. Moksha is the possible only through the bhakti to Vishnu. Only the bhakti to the Vishnu. Okay. He is advocated Dvaita, a dualism. God and soul are distinct. Distinct. Okay. Now move to the next. Ninth one. Here it is Madhvacharya. Now move to the next. Name the books written by the Sankaracharya. Okay. Brahma Sutra Bhashya, Bhagavad Gita Bhashya, Upanishad Bhashyas, Viveka Chudamani, Saundarya Lahari. These are the books written by the Shankaracharya. Here it is Shankaracharya. Now move to the. What were the welfare measures of the Basavana? Here it is Basveshwara. Okay. We are going to consider him as a cultural leader of the Karnataka. Okay. Now come to the answers. He established Anubhava Mantapa for the open discussions. Okay. He opposed the caste discrimination, supported social equality, especially dignity of women, stressed on the work is worship, Kayaka Vai Kailasa, and advocated donations to the needy. That is called the Dasoha. Now come to the 11th one. Which followers were with the Basavana during the Vachana movement? Those are like here. Allama Prabhu, Akka Mahadevi, Chenna Basavana, Siddharama, and many other Shiva Sharanas. Okay, now come to the 12th. What is the meaning of Kayaka by Kailasa propagated by Basavanna? Answer is, the literally meaning of the Kayaka by Kailasa means work is heaven. It teaches that honest work is equal to the worship, and working sincerely is the true path to reach the God. It is the true path according to the Basavanna. I hope you have understood the question answers. If you have any doubt, any suggestion, then please comment and like and subscribe the channel and share this video among your friends. Thank you so much, my dears, for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.